welcome to another video. This is basically an update from the last video with my bechamel sauce, just showing you one of the things that you can do with it. So all we need to do is get some water boiling, add some salt, and then boil your pasta for the time specified on the back of the packet. Once the pasta is cooked and drained, add it into the cheesy sauce. Whilst the pasta's cooking, I often fry off a little bit of plant bacon and red onion and add that in as well, give it a good mix. Then pop it in an oven-proof dish, top it with a bit more cheese, and then cook at 180 degrees Celsius for around about 25 minutes. If you're refrigerating it and then cooking it, make sure you adjust your cooking time, so it's going to be about 40 to 45 minutes. If you freeze it, don't forget to do that as well, to adjust again. Make sure that you're cooking it until it's piping hot. I like to serve mine with some buttery mashed potato, nice and creamy, and some green veg, usually a load of broccoli, and it's delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be alerted when I'm uploading my next video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll catch you on the next one.